guys, this is Larry Bose and this is my first video on YouTube. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have created this makeup look for the beginners. So without a further ado, let's get started.
Firstly, you should prep and prime your face really well. So here I am using the Lotus Professional Sunscreen Lotion. Yeah, there is a pimple. Please do ignore it and massage the sunscreen lotion on your face really well. Second step is the primer. So here I am using the Lakme Absolute Primer. Apply the primer on those areas where you have the open pores. Now I am going to color correct my face. I mean those areas where I have the scars, dark circles or any pimple marks. You guys can do it if you have such things on your face before applying the foundation. Always use a wet beauty blender while blending your makeup, वरना आपकी फेस बहुत केकी दिखेगी. So always damp it with rose water or normal water. And then I'm going to apply the Fit Me foundation, which is by Maybelline, and I think everyone knows about this foundation. Anyway, beginners out there, please do get it as soon as possible because this foundation is love and it's so affordable, just for 299 rupees. Then I'm going to use a brightening concealer to brighten up my under eyes. So this is by Wet n Wild and all the shades will be mentioned in the description below. And then I'm going to set my face with the Fit Me Compact. Guys, it's very important to set your makeup with any sort of loose powder or compact. I'm going to contour my face with the Maybelline Contour Palette, as contouring gives a shape to our face. As you can see, I'm hiding my double chin. Oh my god. I'm using the blush from the same palette. Now it's time to define our eyebrows. So firstly I'm combing it up. And then I'm drawing or outlining my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this eyeshadow palette is bomb. Firstly, I'm taking the transition shade and applying it on my eyelids. And then I'm taking this brick shade and applying it over my crease. Blend it well, guys, because blending is the main key. Now I am taking the dark brown shade and applying it on my lash line and again blending it well. And don't forget to outline your waterline with the same dark brown shade. Last but not the least, apply the shimmer shade on your brow bone and on your inner corner of your eyes because it will make your eyes more attractive. And to complete this eye look, I am using the Forever 52 mascara. Then I'm using a makeup setting spray which is by Australis Cosmetics and also using a tissue paper to cover my eyes while spraying it. Now the best part, which is highlighter. Here I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I am in love with this highlighter because it's very blinding. Here comes the last part, which is lipsticks, and here I am using the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick, which is in the shade Give Me Mocha. And on the top of it I am using the Nykaa liquid matte lipstick in the shade Bombay.